If you are looking for a unique and distinctive style that looks incredibly luxurious yet simple, this video is for you. Hello, I am Ladybird Designer. Today, I will teach you step by step how to create the pattern for this aligned dress with a stand-up collar. By removing the darts and creating a balanced flare, this design is a smart choice for those seeking exclusive boutique quality work. Let's get started. If you prefer the dress to have less flare, you can mark about 10 centimeters inward from the hemline at the side seam and taper it to 0 at the waist. This adjustment will reduce the fullness of the skirt. However, I personally love this amount of flare for this design. As always, we will write all the technical notes on the pattern. Please note that the front pattern piece must be placed and cut on the fold of the fabric. For the back pattern, I measure and apply the same amount of flare used for the front. However, you can choose to mark half or 2/3 of that amount and add that specific volume to the back pattern instead. We are going to sew a zipper along the center back seam to make the garment easier to wear. If you reduce the amount of flare on the front pattern, make sure to do the same for the back pattern to maintain the garment's balance. When cutting the collar, make sure the CF center front of the pattern is placed on the fold of the fabric. However, the CB center back must be cut on the open edges of the fabric to allow space for the zipper. I hope you enjoyed learning the pattern making techniques for this elegant Align dress. I am Ladybird Designer, and I am thrilled to have shared this tutorial with you. Now your pattern is ready, and you can see how simple it is to create professional silhouettes. To see more advanced pattern making tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel.